This is a model in which you need not to spend a single penny. You do not to go for the canvassing. Still, if you could add the maximum number of the people, you will be the chief minister of the Karnataka. That is my guarantee.
Anyway,
No, no,
that's
I'm not really. I'm very serious. I mean, I'm talking in very, very serious note.
correct, correct, correct. समझ गया लेकिन my interest is not there, boss. I'm quite happy
Okay, no
with
issue.
that.
Now, can you join and remain dormant till you feel that it is a time then you should wake up and try to play a lead role? I mean, you can take your own time.
So I'm basically, I'm off all this. I'm happy with what I do. So you will have to forgive me
It is,
on this.
partner, it is not question of your happiness. It's question of your capacity to contribute to the nation. These bugger, they received the power under transfer agreement, and they had done n number of the agreement and thrust all kind of the colonial rules act on us, which were meant for oppressing us basically. They were meant for humiliating, insulting, oppressing, exploiting, and these buggers they are giving the tickets to the only criminals. Even Mr. Narendra Modi has not done anything great. Rather, he has done more harm. I am having records and proof for that. I can speak at length about him.
And
So, okay, forget about it. Let's go on the second request. Should I submit another request to you?
नहीं बताओ boss. Request क्या है?
My request is that can you really connect with the people, those who are in educational field, those who are running the security agencies, and those who are in social service. If I can get their list, and you have just to tell them, okay, my batchmate Maithili Sharan Gupta he is doing this, and I thought he will be the best person to really collaborate. So I am giving his number, or I have given your number, and you will be receiving his call, and his number is this. Can you do this much favor to me?
मैं check करता हूँ
Because, I mean, then basically, rather than you are convincing, I will convince them at the length, so your energy will be saved. You just give me the list and just drop a message that.
Let me identify suitable people and I will refer. ठीक है?
Okay, anybody, I mean, even less suitable will do. I mean, because we have to start somewhere. So they may not be the most suitable. You can start with the less suitable, and then you can keep on giving me the number, and I will be keep on speaking to them.
Right. Let me just figure out from my contacts. I will mention them to you, and then I will refer.
Okay, great. And just you have to leave a word that their phone call will be coming, and he is working on this thing, and I feel your collaboration with you will be good for the nation.
Right.
Rest of the thing I will explain.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Grateful. Thank you.